powerful.
Whew.
You want to set your side up first. Yeah, there we go.
What do I do? I'm stuck on the door.
You're on the door?
Don't let yours go.
I'm not.
Okay. I can't. Okay. I couldn't do anything
I'm
with my...
powerful. I didn't know you were on the door. I'm strong. I'm powerful.
Whew.
I have cute gloves.
All right. Whew.
Put it there and we'll measure before we set it. Try to set it on.
Yeah, let me grab it.
Is that live streaming?
Oh my god. That is funny. Oof.
Just the size difference is insane. What are you? Oh my god. Yeah, that's good. No.
Are you sure? That looks pretty in the way. Okay. I know.
Get me in the video stretch.
What do you want to...
Just get it like that. Just when you're backing up, just make sure you don't hit. I'm ready whenever you are. You got your gloves?
Yeah, I kind of do, actually.
Do not throw away the phone.
Oh, I know. No. Okay.
Alright, so... Okay. That's a bad boy. Alright. Mine's gotta go forward.
Forward?
Yeah, I think it's gotta
yeah.
rotate towards you a little bit on this side.
Okay.
And then forward a tiny bit. No, the lady's just off the back. This one moved up here. It's gotta go forward like an inch, but it's gonna move on the front. So, I don't know if we're going in. Hold on. Alright, that one's fixed. Let's go forward like half inch.
More?
Yeah, it's gonna come towards me a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, this will line up perfectly. It's gonna clear. Oops, I'm back.
Okay.
These were good. Use the hole. We can move it down if it.
Yeah, into the hole. So it needs to come forward just a tad.
Move it down.
Machine forward just a tad. But I can move it down too. So.
Move it up. Move it down.
Okay.
Okay, now we can.
Yeah, it needs to just tiny, tiny. Right there. That should work. Look at that. Move it down. Okay. No. Oh, good.
Can you take that? Push that one. Put it on your machine.
The machine is done. This is what it looks like to me. You know that?
Yeah.
Just a tad to the back.
Just straight over.
That way, yeah. That way, good.
Just take it. Look like.
No.
Look right in. I'm all thumbs.
Is it gonna go in? Yay!
Yeah, I think they're all
Okay.
good.
Hand me 2 of those.
They're up here. Use it out of the winch. There we go.
It's not like 10 millimeter.
Is that right?
It's like 20 It's huge.
Is that different? Is that right?
I was playing with it. Yeah, it was not in the garage.
$105.10 milliliter.